Hello student, today we will do question number 8 and 9 from exercise 5.3 NCERT Math Books class 10. So without further ado, let's get started. Question number 8. Find the sum of the first 51 terms of AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. So n is equal to given 51 and second term is a plus d, then given 14, and third term a plus 2d is equal to given 18. If you will subtract this from this, means a plus 2d, a plus d is equal to here 18, this is 14. If you will subtract this, so minus, this will be cut and this will be d is equal to 4. And if you put value of d in this, so a is equal to, then a is equal to, we will get 10. So we have got a is equal to 10, d is equal to 4, and n is 51. So s 51 is equal to, then by using formula this, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. By using this formula, n is 51 by 2, this is 2 into 10 plus 51 minus 1 means 50. 50 into d means 4. This is so 51 by 2 into 20 plus 200 is equal to 51 by 2 into 220. This is 110 rupees. Rupees, not rupees. Why should rupees? This will be a sum 5,610. See, now question number, this will be the answer. This is the answer. Now see question number 9. If the sum of the first 7 term of AP is 49 and that of 17 term is 289, find the sum of the first n terms. Sum is given first 7 terms, means 49 is equal to given 7 by 2 into 2a. A is not given, n is given, n minus 1 means 6 into d. D is also not given. So this will be with 2a plus 6d is equal to 2 will go this side, 49 into 2 divided by 7. 7 means 14. 2a plus 6d is equal to 14, means if you will divide by 2 both sides, so we will get a plus 3d is equal to 7. This is equation 1. Now see another part is question, please. Sum of the 17th term is 289. Means 17th term, 17 by 2 into 2a plus 16 then d is equal to 289. Equal 2a plus 16d is equal to 289 into 2 divided by 17. This will be 17, 70 to the 34. So this, and it will divide by 2 both sides. So this will be a plus 8d is equal to 17. This is equation 2. Now we will subtract equation 1 from 2. So if you subtract this, a plus 8d is equal to 17 and a plus 3d is equal to 7. If we subtract here, minus, got 5d is equal to, this will be also subtract, so 10. Now d is equal to then 10 by 5 is equal to 2. 2 here. Now we will put value of d in 1. Then we will get a plus 3 to the 6 is equal to 7. So a is equal to, then 6 will come this side, a is equal to 1. Now we will find Sn. Sn is equal to then n by 2, 2a, 2 into a is 1 plus n minus 1, d is 2. So this is, if we solve this, n by 2, this is 2, 2n minus 2. So this will be cut. So this will come n by 2 into 2n. This 2 and this 2 cut, this will be n square. This is the answer. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.